if you want to become rich, dapat nasa tamang position ka. So, ang question ko ngayon siya, nasa tamang position ka ba? In terms of, yan. So, please. Alright? So, it's not only where do they live, but where do they transact their business. Tanungin natin sarili natin ngayon, meron ba akong access, okay, sa mayamang lugar? And welcome to my e-course, how to start your scalable business. Why you should start your own business. Hindi pwedeng matupad ang mga lifestyle na gusto natin. You will become more excited when you have your own business. Why you should choose scalable business over. So in this course, I'm going to teach you why you should start your own business, what is a scalable business, and how to start your own scalable business. Positive Day Delivers, this is Dr. TGD Sunga from I Can Change Project. Magandang umaga sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo po yan, Dr. TGD Sunga. Okay, so ang topic natin ngayon ay nasa tamang posisyon ka ba para yumaman? Diba? So lagi natin pinag-usapan sa channel natin ng pagyaman because sabi ko nga, pagka meron kang steady source of income or meron kang enough source or mayaman ka, you can have freedom, you can increase your happiness, and you can do your mission or your ministry in life. So, yan ang purpose natin. Ang pagiging mayaman po ay, it's not the end, alright? So, hindi natatapos doon. After mong yumaman, dapat may iba kang gagawin to help people and to be happy, alright? Okay, so, sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin o kakilala natin, if you'll be asking them na gusto mo bang yumaman? So, siguro 100% na yan, magtataas ng kamay, di ba? Pero the question is, nasa tamang position ka ba sa buhay para yumaman? Yun yung dapat natin sagutin eh. After natin magkaroon ng desire to be rich, tanungin natin sarili mo, nasa tamang position ba ako? So, ito yan, pag-usapan natin ngayon, ito yung mga mayayaman, at ito tayo, alright? So, that's why the question is, nasa tamang position tayo, okay? So, get your ballpen and coffee. So, mag-coffee tayo ngayon, kasi magandang topic natin eh. Ilagay natin sa tamang lugar ang sarili natin para tayo yumaman. Okay, so, nag-survey ako ng the richest persons in the world. Saan sila matatagpuan? Anong bansa ang mayroong pinakamayaman? Okay? So, I have your top 15. Top 15 na countries kung saan mayroong pinakamadaming billionaires. It's billionaires, okay? So, number 15, we have Australia, 34 ang billionaires. Taiwan, 35, and Japan, 35 also. Switzerland is 36, France 40, Italy 43, South Korea 44, Canada 46 ang billionaires, UK 54, Hong Kong 64, Russia 101, India 119, Germany 123, China is 373, and US 585, right? So yan ang kanilang pwesto. Yan ang mga bansang pinakamaraming mayaman, pinakamadaming billionaires. US is number 1 and China is number 2. Okay? Alright, so second naman sa Pilipinas. Sino ba yung pinakamayaman sa Pilipinas? Okay? So I researched here 10. Top 10 na pinakamayaman sa Pilipinas. Okay? These are in dollars, ha? Dollars po to. Elizabeth C, $1.9 billion ang kanyang total net worth. Henry C, Harley, Henry C, and Teresa C, Teresita, yan. $2.2 billion. Hans C and Herbert C, $2.4 billion. Yan. Andrea Tan is $2.7 billion. Ramon Ang, $2.9 billion. And Tony Tan Kang Chong, 3.9. Yan. $3.9 billion. Lucio Tan is $4.4 billion. Enrique Razon, $4.8 billion. And John Gokong Wei is $5.1 billion. And the richest person in the Philippines is no other than Manny Villar. Ang net worth niya is $5.5 billion. Alright. At saan sila nakatira? Etong pag-aaralan natin. Okay? So, yun na. Sinabi ko na saan sila matatagpuan. Okay? So, yan. That's just the background para malaman natin ano ba meron sa kanila. Okay? So, if you want to become rich, dapat meron tayong tamang positioning. Okay? Just the right position. Number 1, nasaan ba talaga yung mga mayayaman natin kaibigan? Okay, so if you want to become rich, dapat nasa tamang position ka. So ang question ko ngayon sir, nasa tamang position ka ba? In terms of, yan, so place. Alright? So, it's not only where do they live, but where do they transact their business. Okay? So, lahat ng binanggit ko kanina sa inyo, yun yung pinakamayaman lugar. And dito na lang tayo sa Pilipinas. Lahat ng yan, yung 10 na yon, 10 richest person in the Philippines, tinatransact nila ang kanilang business sa Metro Manila. 100%. If not 100%, mga 80%. Okay? So, kung meron man silang transaksyon in other country, in other places, sa ating bansa, that's just a minimal percentage. Pero basically, the major transactions happen in Metro Manila. So, if you want to get rich, at least meron kang access sa mayamang lugar. If you are dreaming of having a millions or madagdagan ng iyong net worth, okay, so at least magkaroon ka ng steady source of income o yumaman na talaga, tanungin natin sarili natin ngayon, meron ba akong access, okay, sa mayamang lugar? Okay, may access ka ba? Concretize natin, may access ka ba sa Metro Manila? Meron ka bang kinukuha ng raw materials dyan? Meron ka bang kliyente sa Manila? Meron ka bang marketing strategy na nararating ang Manila? O meron ka bang dream, okay, to have business transactions sa Metro Manila? Because this is, ito po siya, nandito lahat ng mga mayayaman, okay? They are doing their transactions sa Metro Manila. And yet, nandito ka, naiwan ka sa remote place. Question, yayaman ka ba? Alright? Nasa tamang position ka ba? Okay? So, that's the big question. If you are doing business right sa business now, okay lang yan sa mga provinces. So, basta magkaroon ka ng access. Meron dito sa Bataan, meron isang multi-millionaire na company. So, imagine may nag-exist dito sa Bataan. At marami dito sa Bataan. Pero isa kasi personal natin siya kilala. Edo, ba't siya yumaman? Nasa Bataan lang siya. Because ang clients niya, nandito. Nandito sa place na yan. Okay, may clients siya sa Manila. May clients siya sa iba't ibang major cities dito sa Pilipinas. Okay? So, have the right access. When I started my speaking career and my business consultation and coaching, sabi ko, matagal ko ng pangarap, gusto ko magkaroon ako ng clients na taga Manila. And it happened. So, meron tayong 3 companies na hawak ngayon sa Manila and I'm their business consultant. Though I stay here in Bataan, but I have clients sa Metro Manila. And I have team there sa Manila. So, try to see kung paano magiging ganun ang yung buhay. Okay? So, if you are starting your own business, pasimula ka pa lang, i-plan mo na. Paano ba ako magkakaroon ng access sa Metro Manila? Paano ako magkakaroon ng kliyente? It's just a matter of planning. Okay? Kahit nasa Bataan ka, kahit nasa ang remote place ka ng Pilipinas. Or, better yet, you transfer your office palapit dyan. Okay? That's one of my dreams talaga. Magkaroon tayo ng office at least sa Pampanga, malapit na sa Manila. Okay? Kung di ka man nasa saktong dyan, at least palapit ka sa place. Okay? Sa transaksyon ng mga mayayaman. Okay? So, that's first. Second, ano ba yung nasa tamang posisyon ba tayo sa pagyaman? Okay? So, ito again, illustration. Ito yung mayayaman. Okay? So, the question is your lifestyle, okay? Yung bang lifestyle mo, okay? Is your lifestyle ba ng mga mayayaman? So, that's the next question. Okay? Maring nandito ka nga, pero yung bang lifestyle mo, baka ito lahat ang ginagawa ng mayayaman, eto ka naman. Alright? So, paano ba yung Loki? Ano ba yung tamang lifestyle ng mga mayayaman? Ang lifestyle ng mga mayayaman, lagi silang, of course, lahat yan nag-start sa kanilang isipan, their mindset. Ang lagi nilang naiisip is to outperform other people. Outperform other people. So, kung meron silang kukompete sa kanilang business, dapat ma-outperform nila yon. Dapat mas magaling sila doon. Dapat mas maganda ang products nila doon. Dapat mas maganda ang services nila. That's their target. Kaya hindi sila tumitigil na mag-plan. Kaya nga sabi ko, ngayong nasa lockdown tayo. So, kung ikaw ay business owner, wala ang karapatan na matulog ng hanggang 9 a.m., ng 10 a.m., okay? At manood ng maraming series and movies ng maghapon. Dapat ngayon, you are planning. So, dapat nasa planning stage lagi if you are a business owner on how to outperform your competitors. You do the different strategies, guerrilla marketing, guerrilla strategies, blue ocean strategies. So, explore everything. That's their lifestyle. Lifestyle na nila yon, innate na sa kanila. Hindi na sila effort doon. Kumbaga, alam na nila agad na I will outperform you. Okay? Magtatagumpay ako over you. Okay? So, eto yung kanilang quotation lagi. Be a unicorn in a sea of donkey. Be a unicorn in a sea of donkey. So, that means being different. I have here, nagbasa ako ng isang article kanina. Sabi niya dito, they laugh at me because I am different. But I laugh at them because they are all the same. Alright? So, pabayaan mong pagtawa ng kanila. Kasi, iba yung ginagawa mo. Like, kasi yan, basa ng basa eh. Diba? Kasi yan, sulat ng sulat eh. Diba? Dapat ikaw matawa sa kanila. Kasi, 100 sila, 100 kayo, pare-pareho kayo ng ginagawa. At least ako, isa ako. But I'm doing different thing. So, make sure, sabi nga natin, you are doing what's the 3% is doing, not the 97%. Not the 97%. Okay? And another lifestyle ng mga mayayaman, they challenge the status quo. Kung ano yung existing na pinapaniwalaan ng lahat. For example, sabihin nila, walang nagtatagumpay na ganyang negosyo. Ipakita mo, i-challenge it, magtatagumpay ako. Like, when I just starting as a business coach and consultant, sabi nila, from academic from principal, sino magpapacoach sa'yo? Sino magpapaconsult? That's the status ko eh. Yung principal from academe lang. So, hindi siya pwede pang business. But I challenge that status ko. Alright? So, what is that existing status ko na sinusundan mo na lang? You challenge that. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya pwedeng mangyari sa'yo. Sabihin mo, ibahin nyo ko. I can do that. And that's the lifestyle of rich people. So, my question is, ganun ba yung attitude mo? Ganun ba yung lifestyle mo? Are you outperforming other people? Sa simple na lang, sa mga magkakaibigan, kaiba ka ba? Diba? O pare-pareho lang kayo ng ginagawa. Dapat makita mo na, bakit? Dapat kakaiba ako. Dapat nagbabasa ako. Dapat sa National Bookstore ako nagpupunta. Dapat ibang YouTube channel ang pinapanood ko. That motivation, how to become rich and everything. It's not about funny. Diba? It's not about always humor. Right? Okay, so next na nasa tamang posisyon ka ba sa pagyaman is the network. So, sino ba yung mga kasama nito? Again, ito yung mga mayayaman. Ito tayo, di ba? So, sino ba yung mga, nakita nyo po? Nakita nyo pa naman, di ba? Okay, so, ano ba yung network ng mga mayayaman? Okay, so, sino ba yung mga kasama nila? Pansinin natin ang mga mayayaman. Sino ba talaga yung nakakasama nila? Okay? So, kung gusto nating mayaman, tingnan muna natin, sino yung mga type ng kasama natin? Or type of people na nandiyan sa paligid natin. Di ba sabi nga ni Jim Rohn, you are the average of the 5 person around you. Di ba? So, tanong ko sa'yo, gusto mong yumaman, may kaibigan ka bang mayaman? May nakakasama ka bang mayaman? So, because rich people, eto yung network nila. Okay? So, ito yung mga taong dito sila sumasama. Number 1, with people with financial stability. Yan mga kasama nila. Na at least, mas mayaman sa kanila. Better. Okay? So, para at least nakikita mo yung lifestyle nila, nakikita mo na ginagawa nila. Alright? So, they also work on people like trustworthy people. Yung mga pagkakatiwalaang tao. Kaya hindi sila bumabagsak na gano'n. Scam sila ng million, 10 millions. Though, they have experience before siguro, pero not all of them. Kasi, yung tao na pinipili talaga nila yan, magiging business partner nila, mga kasama nila, magiging kaibigan nila, trustworthy. And they are with people with positive attitude, good habits. So my question to you now is, your network, yung mga kasama mo, nasa tamang position ka ba? Nasa tamang tao. Yung mga FB friends mo, you have 5,000 FB friends or 3,000? What types of people do you have? Or yung circle of friends mo, yung malalapit sa'yo, yung 10, 5? What types of people? Diba? It's not yet late. You can change them. Na mas matalino sa'yo, mas magaling sa'yo. Diba? Sabi nga nila, diba? If you are the most intelligent or smartest person in the room, then you are in the wrong room. Huwag tayong matakot na yung kaibigan natin mas matalino sa atin. Huwag tayong matakot, may insecure na yung kasama natin mas mayaman sa atin. Huwag tayong may insecure sa ganun. Yun yung team ko nga, gusto ko mas matalino sa akin eh. Gusto ko mas magaling sa akin. Hindi pwede ako pinakamagaling. Wala na akong matututunan, di ba? So it's sharing of ideas. Okay, dapat may matutunan ka sa kanila. Alright? And last criteria is, gusto mo bang yumaman? Are you in the right right position? Is the language. Ano yung language ng mayayaman? Ito yung mayayaman, ito yung language nila, ito ka. So baka hindi ka nakakahabol sa, o malayo ang language mo sa kanila. So ano ba yung mga language nila? Ano ba yung pinag-uusapan ng mga mayayaman? Ang pinag-uusapan ng mga mayayaman is investment. Yung mga topics nila, did you invest na stock market, like that, real estate, yung mga topic nila, yung pinag-uusapan nila. Hindi nila pinag-uusapan yung kapitbahay nila, hindi nila pinag-uusapan yung office mate nila, hindi nila pinag-uusapan yung mga negative things around them. So, ang pinag-uusapan nila, how's your investment, di ba? Nag-start ka ba ng investment? They're also talking on weekend plans. So, what do you plan on weekends? Where do you want to go? Where are you attending seminars? Diba? Or what do you plan to read? Nabasa mo na ba si ano? Diba? Did you see the new book of Tony Robbins? Ganun ang mga topic nila. Or did you participate in charity work? They are also giving. Most of the rich people, part of that, their business, meron silang CSR na tinatawag. Corporate Social Responsibility. They are helping people. Or they are also talking on, what was your new venture? So, anong nilaunch mo ngayong month na to? Diba? Ano naisip mo ngayon? They are also talking about health. So, how's your health? Diba? And they are also talking about politics. Na, in different way, kasi politics, of course, it affects their business. So, sinusundan din nila yan. Okay? Wala silang magagawa kung sino nandun. Pero at least, nag-a-adjust sila kung sino nakaupo. That's the reason. Alright? So, what is your language? You can change your language. Baka lahat ng language natin, pinag-usapan lang natin. TV series, di ba? Pinag-usapan natin. Yung kapitbahay natin, pinag-usapan natin. Yung mga small things, small ideas, di ba? Shift to these ideas. Language ng mayayaman. Alright? Okay, so, question ko ulit sa'yo. Gusto mong yumaman? But the question is, nasa tamang position ka ba para ka yumaman? That's the question. You can answer that. Okay? So, it's not yet late. Ilagay mo ang sarili mo sa tamang lugar. Gawin ang tamang lifestyle. Surround yourself with the right people and use the right language. Okay? Alright, so please share this video sa lahat ng maibigan natin, kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayong mabago at umunlad ating buhay. Thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go!